If you guys would like to get updated on daily content about cryptocurrency, please click the subscribe button down below and then just click the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. What's up guys, Crypto Will here, and today we're going to be talking about Litecoin. Is it going to hit the $500 mark in 2018, or is it even going to go past the $500 mark? So watch the rest of this video to find out. So as always, we start looking at the coin market cap. As we see, it is basically $700 billion. So it has dropped about 50 billion, which we seen a couple days ago. So right now it's fluctuating between 750 and 700. BTC dominance is at 33%, which we seen like yesterday. As you see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple are still ruling the number 3 spots. And then we have Cardano over Litecoin, which is sort of interesting to me. I don't know much about Cardano. It's only worth 77 cents right now, so I may do some research into Cardano, possibly make a video over that later on. But right now we're going to be talking about Litecoin at the number 6 spot. The market cap is $13.1 billion. Currently priced is at $239. There is $970 million in trading volume, and there is 54.7 million Litecoins in circulation, and we're down 5.4%. So for those of you that don't know what Litecoin is, I'm just going to read a little bit about it and get to the analysis chart. So Litecoin, an altcoin of better known cryptocurrency Bitcoin, has sold a record high of $290. As you see, we're down about 50, about a year's increase of over 4,000%. Litecoin is cryptocurrency that's evolved from Bitcoin after its own popularity in the industry, and this altcoin has emerged to allow investors to diversify their digital currency package. Litecoin was the first to alter Bitcoin, and the most significant difference is that it takes 2.5 minutes for Litecoin to generate a block or a transaction in comparison to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. So basically Litecoin is a fourth faster than Bitcoin. So take Bitcoin, fourth of that. That's how fast Litecoin sends it, which is very, very cool. We can see what else we got here. Litecoin can transact a lot faster than Bitcoin, but there are also a number of other characteristics that investors need to know before trading. See if we got anything else here. Not really. Just Litecoin is a lot faster than you would say Bitcoin. Okay, it's easier transfers, and a lot of people like sending Litecoin now because the fees are less. You know, it's faster and all of that. So let's dive into the trading view chart like we always do to analyze what's going on. So I drew our fib from the bottom of this spike to the top, basically our all-time high, and this is what we have here. We see it pull back about to the 0.382 in the middle of the 0.236, which is about normal. We see that a lot in trading. So it's following the fib perfectly, how I would like to see it. We see it pull back up to 0.786, and now it tested the 0.38 and then tested the 0.786 once again for the double top, and now we're in the sell mode, and it tested the 0.5 area, didn't break that, and well, it did, and then broke back in, broke back in again. So we started trading between the 0.5 and the 0.618, and as we see, it's being rejected from here. We have a reverse coming, and then we see it looks like to have a double bottom. We could possibly see from here to here to here, forming the W. So we could actually move this trend a little bit more down, which would line up with that analysis we have. And what I mean by the double bottom, the W is, you see it bounce from here to here, and then now we're seeing it come back down, right? And what does that look like? It looks like it's forming the W. We can see it sail way up, you know. But let me delete this line. If we do see that, I think what we will see happen is us break that zone. Once again, test the 0.786, for the third time, we may see a break, or we can see a pullback, and I'm hoping to see a break this time if it tests that third time and doesn't happen to break through, which would be great, because then we're aiming for the all-time high of 368 to basically 370, and I think we can possibly see it being traded between that zone. But as of things are moving, it's sort of a sideways move in this equilibrium, and once it gets out of this zone, I definitely think we're going to see a new high for sure. And where that high stands is where these two fib lines are. In my eyes, I don't base all of my trades just off the fib, but as of this growth and what we have going on here, I think we could see another push like this, maybe not as big, but a decent push to about the 500 to the 450 range up here, which would be great to see. Basically almost double what the price is now, and even at the end of the year, we could possibly see not this high as of yet. I don't think it'll close at the 800 mark this year. Who knows? Depends if we have two big waves coming this year. But I think we'll definitely see it hit the 500 mark, possibly to the 540. And my top outlook right now would be 650, most likely as a high for this year. That's basically another big push, and then a start of another push. So 650, I'm guessing, would be 2018's close. Of course, this always changes, and I make updates on this, so that's why I advise you guys to subscribe and click that notification bell, because I may have an updated video for Litecoin as the chart grows and moves on. Okay, I can do a new analysis, see what I think is going to happen. As of now, this is what I see for Litecoin in 2018. I think we're going to see the 500 to the 450 range, and if anything, it will break this fib right here at the 540 to the 650 range near the end of the year. Okay, that is my analysis of it. I obviously don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a $1 million trader, but this is my analysis. It usually, once again, follows my analysis pretty well. My outlook on the moves, I think, aren't going to be exactly following these arrows. I'm going to give you my thought on how it will move, and then we'll end the video off here. So I'll take the arrow tool, and as I said, I think we're going to see that W form, and with that test, I think we'll see a test back down, and then I think we'll see a break here and break this high. I honestly think we'll see the break high. Not that steep, more of like a sideways high, and then we'll see a test on the high, the old all-time high, and I think we'll see it being traded between our two fib lines right here, just for a little bit. We could see a breakdown to here, but I think once we break that high, we could see just trade between these zones, and then possibly break up into where this box is, and I can extend this even a little bit more, and make these a little bit more sideways. Sometime I think we can see it break into here. So that is my analysis of Litecoin. Please leave your comments down below, leave a like, and subscribe for more daily crypto videos. I want to know your guys' opinion on where Litecoin is going to go. It's a very good coin. I'm about to buy some on this W formation, most likely. If not, it'll be the next wave. And overall, it is a good long-term hold for those investors. In my eyes, I think it's a good long-term hold. You can most likely see double or possibly triple your money invested within this year. So say you drop 30,000 into Litecoin, just Litecoin, and it doubles or triples. You turn that 30,000 into 60 or 90,000, which is a good investment in my eyes. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is sort of my analysis on Litecoin, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.